In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to close your Spotify account. So let's get started. So first, you wanna open up any browser. In my case, I'm using Brave browser. Then you wanna search up Spotify.com. Then click enter. Once you're in this page, you wanna go and click here, and then you wanna click support. So once you're in this page, you wanna go and click the search button and search up close your account. So once you see an option close your account, you wanna click there. So as you can see, there are two options of closing your account, the premium one and the non-premium one. So if you have premium, you can close your account from here. If you don't have premium, if you're using free Spotify, you can close it from here. In my case, I'm using free Spotify, so you have to close it over here. So click over here. So here you have to do 5 steps. So first right click close account, and then click continue, and then click I understand and continue. So now they're gonna go and send some code to your Gmail, and then there you have to click the close your account option. But in my case, I don't want to close my account. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.